In the 1990s, as the Yugoslav wars tore through the Balkans, the CIA played a crucial role in intelligence gathering and shaping U.S. involvement. This marked a shift toward monitoring global hotspots in a rapidly changing world. But how effective was this strategy? After the Cold War, the breakup of Yugoslavia in the early 1990s sparked violent ethnic conflicts that would reshape the region. The wars, marked by atrocities like ethnic cleansing and widespread violence, presented a new and complex challenge for U.S. intelligence agencies such as the CIA. Initially, U.S. policymakers relied heavily on NATO and the CIA to provide crucial intelligence on the rapidly evolving situation in the Balkans, focusing on identifying and documenting war crimes, closely monitoring troop movements, and assessing the severe humanitarian crisis that unfolded, which included the displacement of thousands of people and the dire conditions in refugee camps. The CIA deployed field operatives on the ground, working tirelessly to gather crucial intelligence. They also utilized advanced satellite surveillance technology to monitor the unfolding conflict from above, providing real-time updates. The operatives gathered substantial evidence of mass atrocities, which played a pivotal role in supporting NATO's intervention efforts, especially during the Bosnian War and the Kosovo crisis. In the Kosovo War of 1999, the CIA's intelligence was instrumental in guiding NATO airstrikes against Serbian forces, with the primary goal of halting the ongoing ethnic cleansing and restoring peace. However, critics have pointed out that U.S. intelligence sometimes underestimated the complexity and deep-rooted nature of the conflict, leading to debates and protests against NATO bombings and U.S. involvement. The CIA's involvement in the Yugoslav wars marked a significant turning point in its operational focus and strategy. The agency began shifting its attention to emerging global hotspots, transitioning from the traditional Cold War espionage tactics to addressing a variety of regional conflicts, terrorism, and humanitarian crises that were unfolding around the world. The lessons learned during the Yugoslav wars significantly influenced CIA strategies in future operations, ranging from the complex terrains of Afghanistan to the volatile regions of Syria. But questions remain. How effective can intelligence be in navigating the complexities of regional conflicts? As the agency continues to adapt, the effectiveness of its strategies in these multifaceted environments is constantly under scrutiny. The CIA's role in Yugoslavia revealed the challenges of adapting to a post-Cold War world. What do you think? Can intelligence truly prevent or resolve conflicts? Share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more stories of power, conflict, and resolution.